Dirty lens.
Door. There's the window.
That's waterproof?
Yeah, that's waterproof tape.
Ah, so also named after Tyvek.
That's right.
So-
It's designed.
To be just like the Tyvek paper.
That's right. It's by the same company called Tyvek.
So they only do one round of just one layer of paper, right?
What do you mean?
It
Oh yeah. Yeah, one round is fine. There will be a second round, but on the top there, and it will overlap this round. The reason it overlaps is that if the water falls directly onto the, surface of the house, it has to trickle down, instead of up. So it shouldn't get behind the paper, because behind the paper is
The wood does get easily wet, so that's why we need paper.
Yeah, this is waterproof paper.
It's called waterproof paper.
That's right.
And waterproof tape, which is by Tyvek.
That's right. Starting to look good. That's good, that's good. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Excellent, Arna. Excellent, right there's good. Yep, keep going. You want to get it, or do you want to step one more step on the ladder, or? There you go. You did it! Hooray!
Hey! I'm awesome!
Yeah, you are.
Now, I think I should cover the rest of that. Alright. So since he screwed up a little bit, even though for the most part, all that matters is that he's got the tape covered, is maybe he can just cut it from where he messed up, he goofed up, and start from the beginning, but it seems like he's not giving up, so.
Yeah. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I will use the smaller ladder, okay, to position and get the thing started. Basically, I will use the smaller ladder to position the roll up there and get it started. And then I will hand it to you so you can hold it while I move behind you with the with the other ladder, and we'll rotate. It'll all start to make sense here in a second. Before I do this, I will need more staples 100%. And then I I'm gonna hand it to you from up top while you hold it in place, okay?
Okay.
Pretty much an entire vlog.
That we're going to be posting to YouTube and on some kind of website?
I mean, it can be part of the big movie about the tiny house.
You mean when you say...
Also a shorter movie.